Okay, so this is the resistor. It's actually a Mosfet from a 2001 through 2005 Honda Civic. It's probably going to look the same on later models, or at least very similar. If your fan stops blowing, what has happened is there is a little thermal fuse. It's down in here, and unfortunately on this particular design you would have to unsolder these 2 points right here that actually connect to that thermistor in order to get this out. It's actually locked in pretty good. But what you can do is actually solder in a new 115 degree Celsius thermal fuse. I wouldn't suggest using a wire. I would definitely suggest using either a thermal breaker, otherwise known as a thermistor, or a thermal fuse. So these 2 points right here connect your thermal fuse, and what happens is on a really hot day, or if your AC system or your heater system is not working properly and it gets too hot, the little thermal fuse down in there, and this is actually heat conductive grease, will break.